Hey everybody, it's Mr. Vader. I'm back again. Today I've got a special guest.
Kenny Cringe on YouTube.
Kenny Cringe on YouTube. We'll make sure to put his
Link in the description.
channel link in the description. Today we're gonna open up some Topps Fire. I went to on my way picking him up from his mom's house. I stopped by Target and they had a bunch of Topps Fire. So I really love this. I'm trying to complete my set. So we're gonna just rip into this blaster box and these 5 packs. So I'm gonna start with the packs. Kenny's going to come in and do the blaster box, so let's get ripping. We'll start with pack number 1. I've had real good luck with this stuff too, pulling autograph cards and numbered cards and all that. I got a Judge relic out of a hobby box one time. It was really nice. So let's hope to... And look, there we go. Starting it off. Andrew Benintendi rookie card. I love my Red Sox and I love Benintendi, so there we go. That one's going to me. We got a Hunter Renfroe rookie card, Brooks Robinson, Greg Maddux, and look at that, right off the bat, numbered to 299. We've got a Chris Sale. That's for me also. I love my Red Sox. Let's see, Mike Trout, blue monikers parallel. That's nice.
That was cool.
That is nice. We've got a blue Chris Archer flamethrowers. A Raimel Tapia blue rookie card. Jackie Bradley Jr., Yu Darvish, Wilson Contreras, and Max Scherzer. So that's
pretty good.
That's
Those cards look cool.
That's a decent. Yeah, I love the look of these things. And that
I've never
was
seen baseball cards like that.
that was a good first pack too with the numbered Chris Sale card, because I'm trying to collect all the colored parallels for Chris Sale. So
wait, what are the differences?
what do you mean? What are the differences?
What are the differences between the cards?
Well, so these are just your normal base cards here.
Yeah.
All right, and then you have these are the blue chip parallels that come only in the hanger packs, and then this one is numbered because it's a parallel color. Like normally the gold parts would be white, so that's a parallel, and it's numbered out of 299, meaning there's only 299 of this card out there in the world.
That's cool.
So this pack 2. Now this box has gold parallels in it that you can only get out of these boxes. So well, you're guaranteed to. There's a whole pack full of them, but it's all about which players you pull.
Yeah.
So what we really want is cards with memorabilia or autographs. That's what we really want. So Tom Glavine,
Yeah.
Yoan Moncada, that's a good rookie card to have. Lou Gehrig, Frank Thomas, Dan Vogelbach. Look, we got another numbered card.
So that is
Numbered out of 199. So that means there's only 199 of that card in the world.
189.
Javier Baez from the Cubs, and that is a green parallel. See how it's green?
Yeah, that was cool.
So let's put that in a sleeve. Protect it. So that is a green parallel for Javier Baez.
You sound professional.
I'm not trying to sound professional. We've got a Chris Davis blue monikers named Crush. Ooh, Xander Bogaerts Golden Grabs. That one's nice.
That one looks great.
That's nice for my Red Sox collection. We've got a blue Cal Ripken Jr. card. That's real pretty.
Looks like it's got lightning bolts.
Yeah, that's the Topps Fire design. They all have lightning bolts. It's just, you know. Steven Piscotty, Ryan Braun. I'm going to set that aside. I know a guy who collects the Brewers, so we'll set that aside for him. And Jose Altuve. So that's that pack. Pack
And
3.
next pack is
This pack 3. Throw the trash away. Let's see if we get something good. Ted Williams for the Red Sox. Mike Piazza. Jake Thompson. Derek Jeter. Another Benintendi rookie. We like Benintendi rookies. Another numbered card. Gary Chances out of 199. This should be green. Yep.
That one looks cool.
Green Gary Sanchez. Yeah, we're doing pretty good on the parallels today. This is good. Gives me good hopes for some cool stuff. Got a Ricky Henderson, Man of Steel, blue. Travis Janikowski, blue Golden Grabs. A blue Warren Spahn from the Boston Braves. Yoenis Cespedes, a David Price base, and a Gregory Polanco from the Pirates.
These guys all have cool names.
They all have cool names, he says. Alright, let's get in there. Trash. Trash. Sandy Koufax. Adam Jones. Josh Bell, rookie. Nomar Garciaparra. I don't think I have that card yet. That's good. Reynaldo Lopez, rookie. Another numbered card. Out of 99, Singwon O. We've got, ooh, look at that. That's purple.
Yeah.
That's real nice.
Put that one in the sleeve.
Yep. All the numbered cards go in sleeves.
Because they're special.
Because they're special. Got a blue Ryan Sandberg. A blue Freddie Freeman. And a blue Carson Fulmer rookie. I'm gonna hold on to that. I've decided I want to start collecting his cards. I like his auto. His auto is really cool. Carlos Martinez, Justin Verlander. We'll give that to Cody. He likes the Tigers. And we bumped the camera because we're bad at YouTube. And a Billy Hamilton base. Last one.
Pack.
And we're gonna, yep, on the last pack. Trip's gonna jump in. Or
Trip, Kenny, whatever. It doesn't matter.
whatever we call him. Call him annoying sometimes. Renato Nunez, Jose Canseco, Dave Winfield, Eddie Matthews, Aaron Boone, numbered of 99, Fergie Jenkins, green.
I like that one.
That's really good. Not
The
a
green
lot.
ones look cool.
Green ones do look cool. A lot of cool numbers in this one. Set that aside. We got a blue Mark McGuire, Big Mac. A blue Max Scherzer, Flamethrowers. A blue Braden Shipley rookie card. Steven Strasburg, Roberto Ozuna, and Carlos Correa. So that's going to do it for my half of the break.
Let's get me in there.
I'm going to get you in there. Hold on. Don't be impatient. Let's pull these out and set these so everybody can see what we got. Nice numbered cards. Nice hits for the collection. Pull those aside. All right, let me cut this open for you. I got a knife somewhere.
It's over here.
Yeah, give me that knife over there.
There you go.
All right, cut this open for you, and then you can rip it. All right, Chip's gonna jump in. He's gonna rip them. I'm gonna help him with the names if I can.
Okay, so first we open the box. That's the most important part.
Trying to debunk the camera because I'm bad at YouTube. I already do it enough.
Yeah. And we got something else in here. So
Dump them out.
we got a bunch of packs.
Should be 7 packs in there.
We got 1, 2. Ooh, that one looks cool.
Yeah, that's the gold cards.
We'll open that last. And these are all the card packs. So we'll start off with this one. If I can figure out how to open these.
Pretty easy. There you go.
There we go.
Be careful when you pull them out like a
Yeah,
window.
don't.
Some people might want to trade for these and they don't want them damaged.
Yeah.
Get that trash out of there.
So we've got
Flip it over. There you go.
Ryan
Healy,
Healy,
Hunter Dozier,
Hunter Dozier.
Ken Griffey Jr. Oh, that's numbered. Zoom in on that. What is that? $2.99?
$2.99.
Luis Severino. Yeah,
Here, sleeve it.
Yep, I'll sleeve it for you.
Ichiro
Ichiro, that's right. He plays for the Marlins.
and
Kyle Hendricks.
Hendricks.
You just stack those in that stack right there.
Next pack. Save this for last, so I don't open it.
Yeah, just put it on the bottom.
Okay, so the next one is, if I can open it, the next
Pull it all the way down. There you go.
next pack is, we got Johnny Damon,
Yep.
Matt Olson,
Yep. We'll flip over that Mike Trout.
Mike Trout.
Wow.
Whoa!
Gold Mike Trout.
That looks cool.
That's pretty nice.
Sleep. You want to sleeve it?
Yeah, I'll sleeve that in a minute. We'll just set that up here for now.
We got Chris Davis,
Yeah.
Justin Upton.
Yeah, that's for Cody. That's a Tiger.
So we'll put it over here.
Yep.
And we got Danny Duffy. Duffy?
Yep.
Okay. Next pack.
Cross your fingers for an autograph card or a memorabilia card.
Yeah, we need those. I gotta stop.
Yeah.
So we've got Pedro Martinez,
Yeah, it's from the Red Sox.
Joe Musgrove,
Yeah.
Carl's some last name that I can't pronounce.
Yastrzemski. Carl Yastrzemski. He's a Hall of Famer. He's a good ball player.
Cool.
Renato Nunez. Oh, is that? Could it be?
No, it's not numbered.
Flip it over. Oh,
It's
parallel
red.
though.
Sleep.
Yeah, let's leave it. That's the flame parallel.
We got Lewis Brinson.
Set that aside. I know a guy who wants that. It's a
Just
Brewers
put it over.
card.
And Carlos Martinez.
Yep.
Next pack. I can open it. Is that okay? Get some open that one. That one doesn't like me. Might be lucky.
There you go.
And
Pull some fire out of fire.
I see a gold one.
Reggie Jackson.
Reggie Jackson.
Just Zastrizny. Ooh.
Ooh, what's this one?
Bryce Harper fired up. Pretty.
That one's nice.
Gold Bryce Harper card. That's nice. Stick
got
that up in
rainbow
the
on
stack with the other one.
I
Just leave it there. I'll sleeve those in a minute. Verlander for Cody.
don't want it for good.
Billy Hamilton. And then a base Bryce Harper. Cool. Nice pack. Oh, nice pack.
Yeah. I want to open them behind the camera. I don't know why.
Nah, you gotta open them on camera so people know we're not cheating and
Putting in
putting
different
good
cards.
stuff in there.
Yeah. So we've got Aaron Sanchez.
Yep. Ulieski Gurriel. Another Bryce Harper.
Bryce Harper. Ooh,
Ooh.
look at that one.
Gold walk-off celebrations insert.
So we just put that over there.
Put that up there.
We got
Gregory Polanco. Jackie Bradley Jr. and Yu Darvish.
and we're almost there.
Almost there. We got, what, 3 left?
Oops.
This one and 2 more?
This one, and then the last one, and then we get our gold pack.
Alex Bregman. It's a nice card to have. Fergie Jenkins. Luke Weaver. Ooh, Lewis Brinson. Flip that over.
And,
That's that's a pretty one.
that one's
We'll sleeve
really
that.
cool.
I know who wants that one.
Ooh.
The guy named Pack of Brews on YouTube that I trade with all the time.
Something.
Wilson Contreras and
Yeah.
Max Scherzer.
Alright, last pack before the gold one. You can see it right here.
Need an autograph.
Come on. Okay, this one needs
Well, you gotta have some strength in it, man.
Yeah. I feel like the ones that hate me aren't left. I'll get the gold ones.
Chipper Jones, cool.
Chipper Jones.
Duvall. Ooh, Golden Grabs. Nolan
Whoa.
Arenado. That's a nice looking card.
Yeah.
Corey
Then we got-
Kluber. Robinson Cano. Kyle Schwarber. Alright, so
Yeah.
now all these are gonna be gold ones. So there's
These are
4 in there.
All gold, 4 cards. Don't mess them up. And I can't open.
Are you that weak that you can't open baseball cards?
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
here we go. We've got
Jose Altuve, Anthony Rizzo. Ooh, Golden Omar from my collection.
that one's cool.
And a Ronaldo Lopez. Cool. So we didn't get any autograph cards. We didn't get any memorabilia cards, but we got a lot of sweet numbered parallels. These two aren't numbered, but all these are numbered. So that's
yeah, those are really cool.
those are pretty good. A lot of greens. We got a purple.
We got
yeah.
we got this one right here.
Yeah, that one's staying with me.
Yeah.
But yeah, other than that, I think it was a pretty good break. Not bad. Money well spent for what we got. So and got a lot of stuff I can trade to people. So
feel free to contact Dad in the comments below.
Yeah, I'll have my email in the
description.
So you can contact me if you see anything you like, you want to make a trade. So other than that, I'm Mr. Vader. He's Kenny Cringe, and peace.